Hi everyone! Good morning! And today is linis day. Yes, maglilinis ako ng bahay, mag-vacuum, and isa-shampoo ko yung aming carpet. Kasi yung floor namin is carpet. You know, kaya isa-shampooin ko siya kasi madumi na. And before I do that, I have to eat breakfast first. So, today's breakfast, break. So, ito lang yung aking breakfast for today. Quick oat, 1 banana, this milk. Ayan, lactose-free, and fat-free milk. Ito siyang 8 grams of protein. And this one, 5 grams of protein. Tapos, kutsarita. Itong technique talaga. Kapag gusto nyo, kapag konti lang yung pagkain nyo, huwag kayong gumamit ng kutsara. Kasi masyado malaki. Gumamit lang kayo ng maliit, like kutsarita, para, piling nyo marami na kayong kinakain. Yung ganun. So, yun, i-ready ko lang siya. Sandali lang, okay? One teaspoon. 2 3 4. I just need 4. Maybe I need, let's do it 5. Just to make sure I'm full. So here, the oatmeal, and I just put water, hot water, because yung yung milk, iinumin ko na lang siya straight. Tapos yung banana, ikakat ko, isasama ko siya dito. Kasi yung banana meron ng sugar, kaya hindi ko to nilagyan din ng sugar. You know? So, yeah, that's it. Wait a minute. Let's stir it first. And I decided to put a 1 tablespoon of whole trilogy health seeds, flax, chia, and hemp seeds. Okay lang naman kung wala kayong ganto. Ako kasi nilagyan ko lang siya kasi gusto ko talaga, feeling ko, busog ako dahil maglilinis ako ng bahay. Sa milk naman, depende kung anong choice nyo na milk, pero recommend ko yung merong mataas na protein yung milk na iinumin ninyo. So, ayan. Ikakat ko lang yung aking banana. Tapos, ilalagay ko siya dito and kakain na ako. Since this milk is 90 calories for 1 cup, I'm using my measuring cups right here. Yan. Oops. So, you can see 1 cup. But I am gonna do a 1.5 cups. Oops. There you go. That's it. And here is my milk. Ayan, sakto siya. 1.5 cup. Ayan. That's it, guys. I'm gonna eat now. See, simple lang siya. Kahit sino pwedeng gawin to, you know, under 300 calories. I'm not sure, or probably like 350 calories, all of it. This one, you know. Nakakain na ba kayo ng kanin na may banana? If yes, ganito yung lasa. Ang pinagkaiba lang is yung texture, kasi ito medyo soft, yung kanin natin hindi, di ba? Ito soft, tapos banana. Pero yung lasa niya, pareho. So, yeah. At least, hindi kayo parang you know? Ano ba tawag doon? Hindi kayo mananinibago sa lasa. Tiyan, kain. See you later. Pakita ko lang sa inyo. Medyo tapos na ako. Tapos na ako mag-vacuum talaga. Ayan, pinapatuyo ko na lang siya. Medyo tuyo na yung ibang part, you know. Tapos ito, as you guys can see right here, yung open space na yan. Diyan talaga nakalagay yung aming table. But, nung nilagay ko siya dito sa kitchen, nagustuhan ng mamang ko. Sabi niya, dito na lang yung table. Pasensya na kayo kung medyo makalat pa, ha. Kasi hindi pa ako tapos ibalik yung mga ano to eh. Yung mga figurine. I forgot. Meron tawag dyan eh. Yeah, tapos yung table na yun, dun kasi yun sa sulok. Open space to eh. Kaya buti na lang sa kasya yung table, kaya dyan na lang siya. Hi guys! Finally, tapos na akong maglinis and I am really tired. Pasensya na kayo, hindi ko rin naipakita kung ano yung kinain ko. Today, sa lunch, ang kinain ko is fried chicken and rice. Yes. 2 cups of rice. 2 cups of rice and 1 fried chicken. Like I said before, na yung food intake ko is kinakat ko but not all of it. Katulad ng breakfast ko kanina, nakita nyo, healthy breakfast, tapos sa lunch, not healthy. It's because I need energy talaga. You know? And wala akong time para magluto. Kinain ko na lang yung leftover na fried chicken sa refrigerator and ininit ko na lang siya sa microwave. Tapos noon, tapos ko kumain, nagpahinga lang ako ng konti and continue na sa paglinis ng bahay. Yes. So, ayun. Finally, I am done. I am really tired right now. My legs hurt. My paa is hurt. So, yun. I'm just resting right now. And inaantay ko na lang yung aking package. Kasi umorder ako sa qvc.com ng Vitamix blender. Yes. Matagal ko nang gustong magkaroon ng Vitamix kasi nakikita ko na yung kanyang, pag gumawa ka ng smoothies, talagang napaka-smooth talaga siya and walang grittiness. Tawag ba dyan? Basta yun. Ganun. Meron naman akong Ninja and meron din akong Magic Bullet na Black Edition. And later on, mahahawakan ko na siya. Kasi end of the day nakalagay sa End of the day, darating yung package. So, probably mga 6:30, 7, nandito na siya. So, yun. I'm just gonna rest, guys. Look, what is it? My Vitamix is right here. Come on, baby. Open it, guys. Check. I don't know if I open it right. Okay, let's see. Akala ko darating siya mamayang gabi pa. Mga bandang 7. Hindi pala. Ngayon siya dumating. Because sometimes kapag umorder ako sa Amazon, kapag sinabi lang, end of the day, sometimes dumating talaga mga 7 or 6. But right now, it's 5 o'clock. So, pinili ko kasi maliit lang siya. You know. I want the 7,500, but that one is too expensive. That's $599. The 7,500. So this one is more lower than the 7,500. More. Okay. And probably this is the, I don't know if this is the right thing. Okay. This one is perfect for me. For 2 servings. This one. I like it. Yung 7,500 na pichel is mas malaki kaysa dito. This one is 48 ounces. Yeah, 48 ounces. And I like it. How to do this? Wala sa bundok eh. So, basta, ayan. I don't know how to open this shit. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, let's close it. And this one is the dry container. You know, dry container. Ayan, nakalagay siya. Dry blades and dry blade container. For peanut butter. If you want to make a peanut butter, put it right here. Or if you want to grind something like dry, a grain, put it right here. Which is good. I actually like it. And it's great. Oh. And now, what's next? Styro. Oh, of course, the thing. What's this for? The stamper. Kasi ang hirap naman buksan pala na ito. Okay, let's see kung dito siya. Okay, this is for the dry thing. Dry stamper. Let's see this one here. Kasi parang isa lang stamper ba? Tamper. Parang isa lang yun ang dito. Kasi magkaiba sila ng height. Oh, perfect. I didn't know that. Right. Hindi abot yung blade. You know. And for the wet ingredients right here. Hindi rin abot. O, diba? Perfect. And what are these? Whole grains cookbook and first blend. Ayan siya. And for the final moment, let's get this. Okay, the motor. Get this one. Ooh, it's actually heavy. Ayan. See? And here's the motor. I chose a black because, so you guys can see, our thing is black. Coffee maker is black. The oven is black. And the microwave right there is black. Ang naiba lang is yung aming ref is white. Ayan. Wow! It's so pretty! But, ang kintab niya, diba? Dun, 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 dun. And here's the cord. Nasa ilalim yung cord. Paano siya ilagay? Oh, it's like loose. But sabi nila, ganyan daw talaga siya. Ito parang feeling ko masisira. You know? Okay, let's try. I'm not gonna make anything. I'm just gonna turn the power on just to make sure it's working. You know, ayan. Nakasaksak na siya. Ito yung blender. I'm not sure. There's no locking mechanism in here. Just put it on the top like this. That's it. And let's go to number 1 first. Let's on. That's it. It's working. Try the pulse. Ayun. You need to turn this off first para magamit na yung pulse. Because if this one is on, you cannot use it. See? It's not working. The pulse thing, The pulse button is not working. Sort off. And, okay. This one is perfect to make a salad, you know. If you want to grind something, not totally grind, you know. Just, for example, if you want to grind the beans to make a salad beans, this one is perfect. The pulse. Cool. That's it, guys. I really wanna try to make a smoothies, but as of now we don't have a vegetables or fruits. So probably next time I'm gonna use it and I will make a video for that. Okay? I have a Ninja, as you guys can see right here. Ayan. See? Nasa ilalim lang siya. Hindi ko siya ginagamit. It's because masyado siya malaki. Hindi ko siya mailagay dito sa counter. Masyadong malaki. Masyadong mataas. Kaya ito, napili ko. Dahil maliit lang siya. So, see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye!